Hello everyone, thanks for watching today as we make this crunchy pear salad, which is seriously amazing. And when I say that, I really mean it. Every time my wife makes this, people are always like, wow. And we're super excited to share it with you, so let's get rolling. Normally when we make this, we're actually using a spring mix from the grocery store. But today we get to harvest from our AeroGarden farm a good variety of lettuce and spinach. So we just give our lettuce a quick rinse and a spin in the salad spinner, then we're ready to get rocking. So this is what we need on this journey to delicious. Start off with some feta cheese here. Then we got the olive oil. Paprika is next. Poppy seed, this is more of an optional thing. Worcestershire sauce. Apple cider vinegar. Some sugar. Some walnuts or pecans. Pita chips. And no surprise here, we need a pear. And for mixing up the dressing, a blender. And we'll need a frying pan with a little bit of butter. So pour out a half a cup of walnuts or pecans and start up the frying pan on a medium temperature and get that butter melting. And as soon as all that butter is melted, you can add in the walnuts and get those bad boys toasting. After probably about 5 minutes or so, they start getting nice and brown. The butter starts bubbling. You can turn off the burner here, take them off the stovetop, and then drain them on a paper towel and let them cool down. At this point, while those cool off, we'll grab a salad bowl and put all of the lettuce and spinach into there. And then we'll grab our pear. Remember this guy? And we're gonna dice this thing up. First we'll core it out and then just proceed to slowly cut it down into small pieces, removing any parts that you don't want in your salad. Like this little guy right there. And just slowly work it down until the pieces are small enough, about this size. Then we can add them into the salad bowl, and now we're starting to build the salad. Looking good. Now let's grab those pita chips and pour some of those into a Ziploc bag, squeeze out the air, and then we can crunch those down using a rolling pin. Let's take a listen. Did I mention this is crunchy pear salad? Yes. Yes, I did. That looks pretty good there. Let's throw it into the salad. We're one step closer. Now let's add in that feta cheese, as much as you want. And then once these walnuts or pecans are cooled off, scrape them off that paper towel, add those to the salad. Now we're ready to make the dressing. Alright, here we add a half a cup of olive oil, put that into the blender, followed by a half a cup of sugar. Grab that apple cider vinegar and give the bottle a good shake, and pour out a quarter cup of that and mix that into the blender as well. Shake up that bottle of Worcestershire sauce and add in 2 teaspoons into the mix. Then we got paprika, a half a teaspoon there. Lastly, here's where we would normally add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, but since we're using walnuts, which are harder than pecans, we're going to pass on the poppy seeds. Alright, let's blend this all together. About halfway through, give it a little mix, turn it upside down, and blend it one more time, just to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed together. And when you're ready to serve, pour the dressing onto the salad. Yeah, I'm ready right now. We look forward to seeing what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.